Hey guys, welcome back to Shallows Artistry. Today we are going to see how to make lavender blossoms using citrus seeds. Take a coconut branch. We'll need 5 to 6 separate sticks. Color it green and let it dry. Similarly, color all the other sticks. This is going to be the stem portion. Now, take a citrus fruit and remove its seeds separately. Wash and dry them before use. Apply hot glue and stick it on the stem. Place the seeds as closely as possible. Similarly, make all the other blossoms. Now, color it purple using fabric paint. After coloring, it's advisable to use a layer of varnish. Take the dried citrus skin and color it green. We are going to use it as a leaf. Again, it's advisable to use varnish to protect it from ant and fungus. I've colored sorghum for additional decoration. It's completely optional to use. Stick the leaves to the stem. Our lavender bunch is ready now. Now you can place it in any flower vase and decorate your home. If you like this home decor ideas, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.